Hello everyone, welcome to CS tutorial. In this video I want to create simple Python project. Okay, I want to create simple calculator in Python. This video I want to create for beginners, Python beginners. Okay, let's start. First define one variable. Okay, by your favorite name I want to create by name by first. Okay, and get input from users and say for user enter your first number. After this define another variable by name operator. Okay, and get input from users also operator. Okay, like plus, subtract, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, after this just define another variable, third variable I want to define by name second and get input from users also number. That number user want to perform operation and it. Okay, and now just write if statement. If operator was equal to plus sign. Okay, after this just print first plus second. Okay, and now copy this code and paste sometime for division, subtract, multiplication, and also for modulus. Okay, I will remove first this indentation. Okay, now change the second one to subtract. Okay, and now change the third one to multiplication and change another one to division, and last one will be modulus. Okay, now just change these ifs without the first one to elif mean if the last condition was not true, just execute this block. Okay, at the end just define else statement and print invalid operations. Okay, now just change your first and second variables to integers because these are string now. Okay, equal to integer second. Okay, now just run program. Now just enter your first number. I will insert 5 and select your operator. What do you want to do? I will insert plus and again second number. Okay, this is equal to 10. Now again enter your first number 10 and subtract from 2. Okay, we get it 8. Okay, again run program and write your first number and your operations. 8 multiplied by 8 we get it 64. Okay, also again run program, enter your first number. I will insert 100 division by 10. Okay, we get it 10. Okay, by this way you want to create your simple and your first Python project or program. Okay, this is one of the best calculator we can to create in Python. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and